Top 5 Superbikes. Number 1. Dodge Tomahawk. At the top speed of 420 miles per hour, the Dodge Tomahawk is the fastest motorcycle ever produced. Dodge unveiled this ultimate superbike in 2003. According to the reports, Dodge sold only 9 of these motorcycles yet. Unlike other superbikes, Dodge Tomahawk has 4 wheels, 2 front wheels and 2 rear wheels. Surprisingly, Tomahawk could cross 0 to 60 miles in just 1.5 seconds. Simultaneously, this non-street legal concept vehicle has the same number of tires as a car that keeps the bike form factor otherwise. Number 2. MTT Turbine Y2K. Marine Turbine is widely known for its perfectly designated motorbikes, and for testing its bikes on the airplane's runways to show their ultimate speed. The Turbine's motorbikes are recognized as the most powerful. One of them is the Y2K Superbike, which is provided with a jet turbine engines, and Rolls-Royce 250C18 turboshaft engine. With a bike weighing 425 pounds, you can confidently hit the road and cover over 402 kilometers, in a single hour, at a speed of 227 miles per hour. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The hypersport Kawasaki Ninja H2R is the fastest production superbike to date. It's a track-only motorcycle with astonishing acceleration and mind-bending top speed. Besides, Kawasaki Heavy Industries manufactured this motorcycle. Moreover, Kawasaki uses a lightweight trailless frame for the first time on Ninja H2R that provides strength and better control of this bike. Inspired by MotoGP and F1 racers, Kawasaki also includes dogring transmission, which provides fast and smooth shifting. It uses Kawasaki racing-derived components, racing slick tires, and does not have indicators, mirrors. Its highly efficient Kawasaki supercharger helps to acquire incredible acceleration. Number 4. Suzuki Hayabusa. Suzuki is a widely known brand, and Hayabusa is their fastest bike so far. This bike is popular for being comfortable and economic when it comes to fuel, so it will always be a great choice. The Hayabusa is known to be the fastest motorcycle for it has a 1379cc engine. Its top speed can reach up to 397 kilometers, covering almost 250 miles within a single hour. It is also provided with a 6-speed transmission and liquid cooling system. Number 5. Yamaha FZR1. No need to introduce Yamaha. The Japanese manufacturer's products are capable of speaking for themselves. Since Yamaha is widely recognized for having the classiest products ever, they finally celebrated its 50th edition that was released in 2015. FZR1. The superbike is characterized by a 998cc engine, allowing its rider to cover 186 miles per hour. It is also provided with 16 valves, 6-speed transmission, and a liquid cooling system, features that promise to give you the best ride ever.